OEM, or original equipment manufacturer, is usually defined as a company whose goods are used as components in the product of another company, which then takes and sells them to the end user. In the upholstery industry, OEM refers to cloth, vinyl, headliners, leather that were originally put in the vehicle at the manufacturer. These materials become available to the public after the car manufacturer is done using them, or if the car manufacturer didn't use all of the material they specified with the material manufacturer. Only so much of each material is made, so once the initial stock is gone, it's no longer available. OEM materials are cataloged in Detroit Body Original books. Each year, these books are produced with material samples that each car manufacturer used in that specific year. The books predominantly feature samples of domestic cars like GM, Ford, or Chrysler, but they have a fair share of foreign cars like Honda, Nissan, or Toyota. Not all materials become available in the United States. This is especially true for those foreign vehicles, so those can be pretty difficult to find, if not impossible. If you can't find it in the Detroit book, the chances are pretty slim that you find that material at all. Albright Supply took on the painstaking task of digitalizing the OEM fabrics into a searchable online database, AutoOriginals.com. This database allows you to search by year, make, and model to find the material that you need. The database begins at year 2000 and we keep it updated to the current year.